Let us see this question. Very simple. This just like we saw in our example one. So all you just need to do is you say that this square root should be greater than or equal to zero. And we explained in our example one why it is so. So you will say, let's say the solution to this, we have 4 minus 70 should be greater than or equal to 0. Now, when we have this, we have when we take square both sides, we have 4 minus 70 greater than or equal to 0. We square both sides to eliminate this square root. So we have square. This square will cancel the square root of this, and we have 70 greater than or equal to 0. Now, when we push, we can decide to take this 4 to the other side so that we make t the subject of formula. We have 70 greater than or equal to minus 4. So now if we divide by minus, we have 70 greater than or equal to 4. Then, so remember, since we used a minus sign, to divide both sides, the sign is going to change. It's going to change to less than or equal to. So we have 70 less than or equal to 4. We have 7, divide both sides by 7. So this is our t, less than or equal to 4 over 7. Now, what this means is that if you bring out this particular value and put it here, let's say we have square root of 4 minus 7, we have 4 over 7. Here, if we divide both sides by 7, we have square root of 4 minus 4, which is the same thing as square root of 0 is 0. So now let's get our domain. Now, if you want to try your domain to know the input values, you can decide to try a number line. You can decide to do a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can do it up to the level you want. Now, if we try a minus 5 here, if you put a minus 5 here, you should have a number. So if you put minus 5 here, you have minus 5 times minus 7, you have plus 35. So if you have plus 35 plus 4, it will give you a particular number. So you can get the square root of that number, 35 plus 4. You have 39. You can get the square root of 39. If you punch your calculator, you can get the square root of 39. So that means any negative number you try here, it's going to work up till 4 over 7. Yes, up till 4 over 7. Any number greater than this 4 over 7 will make this function undefined. So we can write our domain to be this, our domain to be that all numbers from negative infinity up to 4 over 7 will make this function defined. So I explained why we use the bracket here for infinity and why we use this close bracket for 4 over 7 is because we're using this when you have a symbol like less than and equal to, we use this. But if it's just less than, we can use the bracket aspect. So it just indicates that this is included, this is included. So now how do we write our range? So our range is actually very simple. Our range, we said it is the output values. It is the output values. So in this square root, we know that a square root like this, we can't have a negative number. We can't have a negative output. So we can say this, we can say from, we can say 0, sorry, we use this bracket, 0 comma positive infinity. So we can have a positive number here. We can have a positive number out of this square root, but we can't have a negative number. So that's the answer.